Before going to add element classes of right div, let me create a comment. So let's copy the comment from here and paste it here, and we will say this section is used for right div style. So all the right div style will goes here. So let's open up the index.html file, and let's hide this center div, and let's open up this right div. So inside the right div we have a right nav class. We will copy this, and inside the right nav we have right menu. Inside the right menu we have unordered list and list item and anchor tag, name div, name wrap. We're gonna copy this later. So first copy these two classes, copy it and paste it right here. Make it a class. Add curly braces. And inside the right menu we have unordered list. So we will add we will select unordered list. So we will say ul. This will select the unordered list item. So copy this one more time, paste it for selecting the list item. We will say inside the right menu select unordered list, and inside the unordered list select the list item. So inside the list item, what we have here, we have anchor tag. So we'll say inside the list item select anchor tag. Save the file, and what we have here, we have a layout for the image and the name. So that is why we have added the div here. So we will copy the parent element, name div class, and also name wrap, name image, and name text. We will copy it and we will paste it below to this class, and let's make it a class. So make it a class. So set dot and save the file. So as you can see, we have added the classes here. So let's see what we have missed. So we need to select the image item, and text can be selected from the name text. So we just need to select the image which is inside the name image. So we'll say copy this and paste it one more time, and we will say select name image. Inside the name image class we have image, so select the image. So that is for the first li, which is used to add image and name. So that is the layout which is used to create this first li. So we need to select span and font awesome icon as well. We will copy the right menu ulli and anchor, and we will copy it and we will paste it one more time. We will say let me see where is the span and where is the font awesome icon. So if we scroll down, we have anchor tag, and inside the anchor tag we have span and then the font awesome icon. So we'll say inside the anchor tag we have a span element, and copy this and paste it one more time, and we'll say inside the span element we have font awesome icon italic tag. So we have done here, and we have selected all the element classes which is inside the right div, and we have selected unordered list, anchor tag, and span tag, and as well the font awesome icon. So far we have done here. So we have added the classes for the left div, center div, and right div. So we can easily design our header section. So in the next videos we are going to start designing our header section. So that's it for now, and see you in the next lecture.